What's up guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a software called Airtable for free to track your Christmas gifts, and this can be for your family or anyone you want to track your Christmas gifts for. You can track them in this database that I built, and there's actually going to be a link at the end of the video. You can get this exact template from me and you can download it. You don't have to recreate it, you don't have to do anything, and you have to watch the whole video, figure out how to use it so that you understand how to properly use it if you want to make tweaks to it. But then at the end of the video, you can get it for free, and you can also download Airtable for free, and I'll talk about that at the end of the video. But if you're curious about what I do, I help businesses optimize their information systems, so like Asana, Slack, Airtable. If you're curious about that or know someone who is, request a consultation from me in the description. And without further ado, we'll get right into the video now. Alright, so as you can see, we're in the Airtable database here, and the amazing thing about this is you can share it with people, but there's also an app for it on your phone, so you can have this on your iPhone, but right now we're obviously in the desktop version, and I'm going to show you two things. So there's basically two tables here, or two classes, or two types of information that we want to keep track of. So we want to keep track of the recipients of the gifts and then the gifts themselves. Now the classes, or the tables, they're represented up here, so you can see recipients and you can see gifts. So right here in this table we have the recipients. So this is like my mom, my dad, my sister, and if I wanted to add another one in here, say I wanted to add you, then I would enter that, and then if I double click in this, I can enter 123 Maine, and then enter, and then Bloomington, Indiana. So that's perfect. Now if we want to enter gifts, I'll wait to show you how to do that in a second, but then we come in here and enter our budget. So we have a budget of, I'm going to say for you I'll spend $200. Now for these other ones, these are functions and roll-ups, so these aren't going to show up right away. See, that one just populated, but these will change automatically when we enter different gifts. So say I just ordered you a gift, and I just ordered you a Alexa, and let's say that was from Amazon.com. So if we click on that, copy it, we can paste it, and then say that cost me $150, and that's for yourself. So I ordered that for you, and let's say I just ordered it. So I just ordered that gift. Now if we come back to the recipients table, we can see in here that this automatically populated here, so we can see that's a gift for you, Alexa, and I already spent $150, and obviously I entered that budget in here, and this automatically subtracts out of the budget. So for you, I still have $50 left to spend. So I want to go spend that $50, and we can say a few bucks. So you can't see that very well, but I also bought that on Amazon.com, and I spent $50 on you. You can also just type in here and it'll pull up that, and I'm going to say that's already delivered. I forgot to enter it in here before, and we can come back in here and see, okay, I already spent the whole $200 that I said is your budget, and now there's only $0 left. And of course you can come in here and increase this to like 210 if I want to, but that's really how you use this Airtable database. And so you can enter records in either place, and there's another cool thing that I want to show you, and that's different views. So if you're in one specific table, you can create different views, and you can see these over here if you click these different views. And so maybe I want to see gifts by status. I want to see the gifts that I'm considering for people, I want to see the gifts that I've ordered, and I want to see the gifts that are already delivered. So these really show you the stages of my order process. And so right here we can see the first stage is considering. So we can see I have a new hat that I'm considering and a gift example. So if I want to say I ordered this new hat, but I don't want to go into the other view, I can just click on this and drag it here. So it's great. And say I accidentally said I ordered this, but I didn't, still just considering that Keurig coffee maker, I can edit that there. And if we come back here, we can see because I took that Keurig out of there, I still actually haven't spent anything for my sister, and so on and so forth. It edits all of this in real time, and you can share this with people if they want to add gifts that they want in here. You could create other views and other tables, and if you're curious about how to really use Airtable and unlock all of those different benefits like sharing, having forms so someone can enter data in here, and all of that, you can go on my channel, and I have a ton of videos explaining how to use this and really how to make it efficient for you or your business. Now if you want this exact Airtable Christmas gift tracker worksheet, then you can go in the description and there's a link to download this exact worksheet. All you have to do is enter your name and your email address, and I'll email it right to you. Now there's also a link in the description to sign up for Airtable. You can sign up for free and I will get some affiliate commission on that, just warning you. But it is free, so you can go sign up. You can use this exact sheet, and I'll show you how to download that sheet right now. So when you get that link to the Airtable base, that once you go in that link in the description and request it, and you enter your name and your email address, I'll email you a link, and it'll look like this. You'll click on the link, and it'll look like this. It'll say Christmas gift tracker at the top and copy base. So you'll click copy base, and then it'll have you go either log into your current existing Airtable base, or if you're already logged in, it'll pull it up and it'll add it to your workspace. Now this is absolutely free, no cost to you. So if you're interested in it, go click that link in the description. And if you're curious about how to use Airtable more, go to my channel and watch some more videos on how to use Airtable. And actually, if you're curious about the forms, you can watch this video right here, and you can learn more about Airtable forms. So I hope you go watch that video. I hope you have a great day, but keep watching for more Airtable form videos, which is that form video right here.